my dear students, very good morning. Myself Dr. Pawan Saxena, Associate Professor, KCMT College, Bareilly. Today I am describing the important topic of mathematics, differential equation. Basically, the basic definition of differential equation is that a equation which contains variables and its derivatives is called differential equation. That is, एक ऐसी इक्वेशंस की बात करते हैं जिसमें वेरिएबल्स मीन्स डिपेंडेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट and its derivative like dy over dx is called differential equation. Basically two types, the definition is two types. First is ordinary differential equation and second is partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation is that a differential equation which contains only one independent variables, just like for example d2 by over dx square plus dy over dx plus y is equal to 0. We are seeing that only one independent variables. That is the ordinary differential equation, the type of ordinary differential equation. And second part, the partial differential equation, that is more than one independent variables. Like that, del 2 by over del x square plus del 2 by over del t square plus y is equal to 0. We are seeing there are two independent variables, x and t. That is partial differential equation. Now we are introduced in the ordinary differential equation the two parts like order and degree of any differential equation. किसी भी differential equation को define करने के लिए सबसे priority पर order and degree को define करना it's important. First is what is the definition of order? Order like that. Example is that d2 by over d square plus dy over dx plus y is equal to 0. We are seeing that d2 by over dx square, that is the higher derivative of any differential equation. So d2 by over d square is showing the 2 is the order of any differential equation. That is, किसी भी differential equation की जो highest derivative होगा, that is called order of any differential equation. And degree of any differential equation, very simple, the power of the highest derivative. हम इसी की बात करें अगर हम किसी भी highest derivative की powers की बात करेंगे अगर हम, तो that is the degree of any differential equation. d2 by over d square to the whole power of 1 is showing the degree of any differential equation. Okay, so this is the part order and degree. तो किसी भी differential equation को solve करने के लिए first priority पर हम order और degree को define करने के बाद the type of ordinary differential equation. Like that, first is first order differential equation and second is second order differential equation. This is the important role of any differential equation, that is first order differential equation. The type of the first order differential equation is maximum 5 types of differential equation. First order differential equation, first is linear differential equation. The important part, the type of linear differential equation is that dy over dx plus py is equal to qx. And second, the method of separation of variables, that is fy dy is equal to fx dx. वेरिएबल्स को हम सेपरेट करेंगे, देन इंटीग्रेट. थर्ड इज dy over dx is equal to x to the power n. fn means the derivative, any derivative. Okay, y over x, that is homogeneous differential form. And fourth is n dx plus n dy is equal to 0, that is the exact differential form. Okay, and fifth is dxy is equal to m dx plus n dy. This is the important part of differential equation. Generally we will use the higher mathematics for the integrating factors. It's called integrating factor. dxy मतलब dxy का मतलब ये हुआ, ये d जो है ये डिफरेंशिएशन को शो करता है, यानी इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि xy दो वेरिएबल्स हैं और इसको हमें डिफरेंशिएट करना है. तो प्रोडक्ट रूल क्या कहता है इसमें, फर्स्ट एज इट इज differentiation of second part plus second as it is or differentiation of first part, that is the integrating factor. So the kinds of first order differential equation. Now we are introduced in second order differential equation. Second order differential equation, the main important part, the type of second order differential equation, that is d2 by over dx square plus p dy over dx plus qy is equal to r, where p, q and r be the any function of x. This is important part of second order differential equation. PQ are must in the form of x only. The type of second order differential equation. First is the change of independent by dependent variables. Second, by the normal form. Third, changing of independent form. And fourth is the method of variation of parameters. This is the kind of to solve the second order differential equation. Is it clear? Now we will next example to solve the first order differential equation and second order differential equation. Now thank you very much. We will discuss in next video the application of first order differential equation and second order differential equation. Thank you very much.